Fast, deadly, and built to strike. These attack aircraft can destroy targets in seconds. But who has the most in 2026? Please rotate your phone. At number 10, Egypt. Aging but reliable fleet. At number 9, Germany. Advanced European strike power. At number 8, France. Rafale multi-role dominance. At number 7, Pakistan. JF-17 strike capability. At number 6, Turkey. Modernized F-16 fleet. At number 5, South Korea. High-tech precision strikes. At number 4, North Korea. Large but outdated fleet. At number 3, India. Diverse, powerful air force. At number 2, Russia. Heavy strike aircraft force. At number 1, United States. Unmatched global air dominance.